I'm doing a trial assembly of the front bent for the timber frame, and it's lying down here in planks so I can, this is the left front pillar, post, and I need to get this little girt in here before we go too far with this post. Let's see if I get that started in there, and then I have the brace here. This brace has to fit in these sockets when this thing goes together. So all the parts are here. I got to get this through tenon to go. There's a front door, double front door that goes in this opening here. So that doesn't have the horizontal girt in that space, and it doesn't have a brace either. So there's only, in the front bent, there's only one brace and a short girt here, this piece. Okay, looks like I need to start this. It looks like this post, this is the door post in the middle here. That needs to go forward, go up. These sockets, these little tenons here, stub tenons, sit in sockets in the sill, in the foundation. Oh, I've got to get this going in that socket. So everything is connected, but I don't like this post, this door post is not there. Okay, now that seemed to bring it in. Okay, now I need to drive this left about an inch more. Ooh, that went in. I gotta get this to close up. I haven't drilled the holes for the pins, the drawbore pins, and I need to take this apart to drill, because there's an offset hole in the tenons. Okay, well, that's close. The drawbore pins will close up all these joints. These are closed up pretty good, but the drawbore will actually bring them so I think I'm ready to take this apart then, and drill the pinholes.